Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and I'm here to show you a unique 3-section loading ramp. Let's check it out. This loading ramp is going to store just behind the rear doors, takes up about 13 inches of room, and it is a 3-section ramp. It's going to be 39 inches wide and 130 inches when it's deployed. Let's check it out. We do have to pin the hinges. All right, this ramp is very sturdy under load. It can carry 880 pounds. And the unique thing about this ramp is it provides such a long ramp given the mid-roof height of this Ford Transit. The normal 2-folded ramp could only be a 9-foot ramp at 108 inches, but using the 3rd section, we're able to achieve 130. Let me show you how easy it folds back up. Just like that, we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.